In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add an end screen on the new YouTube Studio format. Before, it was very easy. You just added the videos and then move them. Now, you have to, I always do is I leave the end screens at the end of my video. You're going to see them like right here. All you have to do is move this over here, and then they only stay for like the last 12 seconds. That's what I do with mine. Also, if you want to add if you want to add more than one, you click here and then it'll ask you if you want a video playlist. I choose a video. Sometimes it just adds a best for viewer, but then you can choose the video that you want. I'm gonna add that one, and there you have it. And then just save it. If you don't see this when you click here, it's gonna be here. The best for viewer will be checked. For some of you, if you don't have best for viewer, more likely you're gonna encounter this, that it will choose for you the best for viewer. All you have to do is drag this down so you can choose a specific video. I couldn't find that link to choose a specific video, but you can see it now. And just choose the one that you want, and then there it is. For me, it was a pain trying to figure out how to find the button where I can choose the video that I want, and not a best for viewer video. I want to choose a specific videos, not a best for viewer, because YouTube might be showing a video I don't want to show to a particular viewer. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please share it with your friends. And if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe, as I will be uploading more videos like this. Thank you for watching.